Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn one of the latest and new update ruling out for WhatsApp. Now you can easily able to add your Instagram profile link on your WhatsApp account profile. Okay, so this is the new update. First you need to update your WhatsApp. Okay, so open the Play Store. If you are using iPhone, you need to open the App Store and simply update the app. Okay, if the app update is available, just tap on update and update the app. Okay, after updating guys, close this and open the Instagram account. Okay, Instagram app. Now you need to find out your Instagram username. So just go to your profile section and find out your profile name, username. Okay, after these guys, close the Instagram, open the WhatsApp like this. Tap on three dots, go to settings. In the settings, go to your profile section like this, and here you can get the new option add links. Just tap on it like this, and here you can get the option Instagram. Just tap on it. For now there is only one option is available here. You can add only Instagram profile link, so there is no option to add Facebook. Okay, just you need to enter your profile name and then tap on save. That's it. Now your username was added here, so anyone can see your Instagram link on your WhatsApp profile. Okay, so this is the nice and very amazing feature ruling out for WhatsApp. If you have not used this, just go ahead, use this. That's it. Okay, so that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.